This is how to verify Namecheap domain with Google Search Console. From your Search Console dashboard, add a domain and just click Continue. Then we will go to Domain Management for our domain. I am here on my Namecheap and we will go to Advanced DNS. Then we will add a record. Just click Add New Record. Choose Text Record. We'll point it on our root domain, so at. Let's copy this text and paste it here. And just click this check icon to save the changes. Then we will go back to Search Console. And then we will verify and take note that DNS will propagate at least 24 hours. So it may take some time. Then let's click verify and our ownership is verified. So just click done or go to property. So this is how to verify Namecheap domain with Google Search Console.